Most traders use outdated indicators that can only generate losses. But today, I'm about to show you the only TradingView indicator you'll ever need. The same tool that's outperforming everything else I've tested. The backtesting results blew me away instantly. Watch the video from beginning to end to find out the indicator name and our secret settings. During this video, we also will show you how you can access our top-notch private indicator, Quant Algo, which tells when to buy and when to sell, thus giving you an insane advantage over other traders. The trend indicator we found is a powerful volume-adjusted momentum tool that combines custom-weighted moving averages on volume-weighted price with smoothed deviation bands. It offers dynamic insights into trend direction, overbought and oversold conditions, and relative valuation, all within a single indicator. As you can see, this indicator determines trend direction using oscillator data displayed along the bottom. The oscillator consists of three key components that define trend direction: volume-adjusted moving averages, the percentage oscillator, and deviation bands. With that, when the MA line crosses above the upper deviation band, the oscillator's main line turns green, instantly indicating an uptrend on the chart. At the same time, when the MA line breaks below the red deviation band, the oscillator's main line changes its color to red, immediately signaling a downtrend on the chart. So, the trading rules are obvious. A green label appearing on the main chart gives us a direct buy signal. Voila, we caught an amazing bullish wave and secured solid profits from a single trade. In a bear scenario, when a red label appears on the main chart, we receive a signal for the short trade. Boom! The trend indicator performed just as well on the opposite side, generating massive profits in a matter of hours. To add this new indicator, open the Indicators window. Before we continue, if you want to support our channel and all this hard work by our team, smash that like and subscribe button. It takes just a second. Type volume MA oscillator and choose the following one. Yes, you now know its name. However, hold off on trading for now, as the trend tool isn't yet ready to handle consolidation phases, which are typically marked by a raft of false signals. As always, we should do a lot of work with the settings and find the optimal confirmation indicator. For the first task, we developed the Quant Capital Strategy Builder, a cutting-edge tool that allows you to backtest any indicator on TradingView in less than 1 minute. Just open the Builder settings. Go to the Set Long Conditions tab. Select a parameter that aligns with the indicator's buy signals, and repeat the process for the sell signals. Here's the backtesting data the Builder generated in minutes, so we can start playing with settings. With that, go to the Inputs tab, and we'll be adjusting two main parameter groups, one for the moving average and another for the bands. Here we have the source option, which lets you choose the data point the indicator will use for its calculations. Select this specific parameter right here. Next is the moving average type, which lets you choose from options like SMA, EMA, DEMA, and T3 to apply to the price multiplied by volume. Choose the TEMA option right here. Before we continue, we want to share with you our top private indicator, Quant Algo, which can be used in combination with previously discussed indicators or on its own. This high-quality algorithm, which combines complex trading processes to tell you when to buy and when to sell, was developed to enhance your trading experience. You can use it on any time frame for different asset classes. So, if you want to access Quant Algo to get results fast, all links will be in the description and the comment section below. Without this algo, will put you at a disadvantage. Finally, there's the MA length, which sets the period of the selected moving average and determines how responsive it is. Higher values result in a smoother MA with fewer signals, and vice versa. Set this value to 35. Now let's move on to the band group, which slightly adjusts the configuration of the bands used to signal a trend change. With that, change the band length to 27, the band smoothing to 0.3, the positive band multiplier to 1.6, and the negative band multiplier to negative 0.8. Voila! Compare how the indicator performs using the default settings versus the optimized ones. At this stage, we're about to integrate an overpowered trading filter to further improve the outcome. The confirmation filter we applied is a custom-built trend analysis tool that merges classic market oscillators with advanced normalization methods, complex mathematical functions, and Arnaud-Legoux smoothing. Unlike old indicators, this one integrates market momentum, volatility, and trend strength into a single framework. With that, to validate a long trade entry, the alta area should be green and positioned below the 0.7 threshold. Similarly, to confirm a short trade entry, the alta area should be colored red and be located above the negative 0.7 level. Boom! Here are the preliminary results of the indicator's effectiveness during the consolidation phase. To integrate this secret tool, go to the Indicators tab, search for Trend Aggregator, and click on this exact option. We'll be unveiling our exclusive settings for it in a couple of minutes, so keep watching. At this point, let's examine live trade examples and dive into the final backtesting results. Here are examples of both long and short trades, with stop orders placed below and above the most recent swing, and a 1.5 for 1 risk to reward target. As of now, let's closely analyze the backtesting results. Here are the Ethereum results on the 15-minute time frame, based solely on the first indicator with its optimal settings. And the overall picture is perfect. We have a great 62% win rate, a very strong net profit of 603%, and a notably low max drawdown of just 17%, a rare combination. Nevertheless, let's see how the confirmation indicator improves them. Go to the builder settings, where our filter is now integrated, and update the ATR to 2, set the RSI length to 10, and adjust the K length to 1. Moving on, change the D length to 24, and adjust the MACD length to 18. And don't forget to activate it here. Boom! Our win rate jumped to 75.2%, max drawdown fell to just 8%, and we obtained a mind-blowing 454% net profit from just 121 trades. We also logged 14 winning trades in a row, compared to only 2 back-to-back losses, nearly a record. The equity curve is flawless, and once again, the strategy beats the buy and hold approach. Let's take it a step further and apply Quant Builder's built-in filters to boost the results even more. Open the settings and go to the Momentum Filter section. So, set the trend sensitivity to short and set the length to 31. Voila! We've achieved what's nearly every trader's dream. The win rate arrived at an insane 89%, delivering a solid 200% profit from just 37 trades, all with virtually no drawdown. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. It really motivates us to keep creating and sharing fresh content more frequently.